Prime Minister Narendra Modi replied to the questions asked on the motion of thanks to the President today. The Prime Minister hailed the Sikh community for its contribution to the nation. He also said that the people who try to mislead them, this is not going to benefit anyone. He also compared the new farm laws to the Green Revolution. He expressed his disappointment by the U-turn of those political parties who previously had spoken of agricultural reforms, quoting former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to support his case. He also said that the MSP is here to stay. After Prime Minister Modi's assurance in the Rajya Sabha that the minimum support price system will remain, Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait responded to him saying that what the farmers want are laws on MSP. On the remarks made by the Prime Minister on Sikhs, he said, the movement was first portrayed as Punjab's issue, then Sikhs and Jats, so on and so forth. The farmers of the country are united. There is no small farmer or big farmer. The movement belongs to all farmers. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has announced today that Maharashtra will investigate tweets by celebrities in response to the global criticism of the government's handling of the farmers' protest. It has been revealed that there were the same posts by celebrities and at the same time. Hence, it will be investigated why that's happened, he said today, after requests from the state Congress leaders to look into the matter. A massive operation has been on since the last night to rescue some 39 people believed to be trapped inside a tunnel after a glacier burst in Uttarakhand yesterday. While 18 bodies have been recovered so far, over 200 are missing as per state government's data. The rescue operations continue day and night. On the other hand, comprehensive analysis is being undertaken by these scientists to find reasons for the incident. A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi slammed the TMC dispensation for not implementing central schemes in West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has responded in the Assembly that her government had sent names of 2.5 lakh farmers for benefits under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. Why the union government has not disbursed any cash benefit as yet, she asked. She also said after the Amphan cyclone, Gujarat will never rule Bengal and called the centre a cruel government for not providing enough funds to deal with the Amphan cyclone and COVID. Losing an early wicket in their second innings, India were put in a difficult position by England on day 4 of the first Test match. Ravichandran Ashwin put in an excellent bowling display for the hosts, taking 6 wickets on day 4. The England team returned to the dugout after scoring 178 runs in the second innings. At the end of day 4, India has scored 39 runs, 9 more wickets in hand. India needs 381 runs to win on the last day.